Hi guys, today I would like to share with you a case study of a business that has tripled their business in the last 9 months. Let's look at this. In the past, I've shared with you some dental case studies. Today, I'm going to share a case study with you for one of our plastic surgery medical clients that is doing really well. And let's look at that data. Let's jump right in, okay? So if you look at this practice, they started doing digital marketing with us about 9 months ago. And this last year they did about 1.2 million in sales, and this year they're on track to deliver 3.4 million dollars in sales. And let's look at this profile. What we did was we built a solid strategy for them initially by doing competitor research and identifying the keywords that we need to go after. That's going to give them some solid sales results. And then we went on to build backlinks and on-site content and on-site SEO for them. As you can see, the backlink profile has gone up in the last 9 months. And the first month, basically, we did we built their strategy, because remember, you need to have a solid strategy after doing a keyword research to then execute tactics on that strategy. Okay, and as you can see, once we started doing the work, after about a couple of months, their traffic started increasing, and really in month 3, they saw a huge increase. And initially, this is third-party data, but we are also monitoring their account using Google Analytics data. But you can see the traffic went from digitally from almost about 50 to 100 visits per month to now about 1,400 to 1,500 visits per month. Okay, and this talks about the health score. Health score is nothing but some statistics about their on-site SEO and off-site SEO. For example, here are some broken links. Remember, anytime you do link building, you will have some broken links that happen, but the objective is to continually build those links, build new links, and fix any broken links, right? So this just talks about the health score. So they're doing really good on the health score. And if you look at the organic keywords, for example, what we want to do is, as we do SEO for you and as Google recognizes you as a subject matter expert in that area of expertise of the services that you offer or the product that you offer, they will start giving you more and more keywords. For example, if you're a dental practice and you're trying to go after the keyword of teeth whitening, as we optimize you for teeth whitening and other keywords, Google will start giving you some Invisalign or teeth straightening customers, right? And that's just called the cloud keywords that you get with optimization. But as you can see, these guys in the last 30 days have added 320 keywords. So right now they're ranking for 731 keywords, and this includes a bunch of terms of plastic surgery procedures, okay? And as you can see, even though we're optimizing their profile for United States, Google is giving us some searches from Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, Sweden. Now here's the thing, that's something we can't control. All we can control is the biggest liver, which is United States, and we optimize their profile for Houston. And we, as you can see, majority of the traffic and keywords that we're ranking for is United States, and some of these other keywords that we're getting, we really can't control. Anyways, and as we keep optimizing, we'll notice that keywords from Canada, Australia, United Kingdom start going away and start reducing, because now we're telling Google all the signals that, hey, this is a medical practice, a plastic surgery practice here in Houston, so please give us Houston traffic. And you will see the traffic that's coming in to be more Houston and Texas based, as opposed to being in Canada, Australia, etc., etc. You can see as we do SEO, it starts, all your traffic starts honing in to your area or local area, okay? And you can see we're tracking all their keywords, and recently in the last 30 days, they've increased 144 keywords, going up in the first 1 to 100 search results. So that's really good. And the interesting part is that with this profile, these guys have seen a 2,000% increase in traffic since they have worked with us. You can see they were getting about 5,200 traffic per month, and now they're generating about 1,500 to 1,600 traffic per month. And why is traffic important? Traffic is important because we know whenever you get traffic, which is the top of the funnel, if you look at my slides here, we know that once you get the traffic in here, we know as long as you're creating good content, you should have 2 to 8% of that keyword search volume come out as sales. So this is why, as you can see, each of these keywords we are optimizing them for has a volume. For example, and I'll take an example of a dentist, just because we all understand dentists and we all go to dentists, is, for example, the keyword teeth whitening. There might be 200 people in the Sugar Land or Houston area that might be looking for teeth whitening, but teeth whitening near me, or teeth whitening using peroxide might be another keyword. So you can see each of these keywords have a volume with that, and we know we can convert 2 to 8% of that volume as sales. And this is why it's so important that as we do SEO for you, your keyword volume, your keyword rankings on the volume of keywords goes up, because each of those keywords has a volume, and we can basically convert 2 to 8% of that to sales, okay? For this practice, basically their traffic has gone up almost 2,000%, as you can see, from about 50 to 100 to about 1,500 to 1,600, which is awesome. Also, the phone calls that they get, we use Google Analytics to track their phone calls, and also third-party phone tracking tools. And we've seen that they've gone from their digital call volume from 10 to 15 to now 50 plus per week. Okay, now that's huge. As you can see, what's really interesting is, if you look at their business numbers, what's really interesting is phone calls is very much directly related to the patients that you book per month. For example, if you have 10 to 15 patients calling you per month, out of that 50 to 60% will come in as patients. So you can see, as we increase the call volume, the number of patients books also directly goes up, okay? So these guys are doing extremely well. So let me just go over really quick on how we did this, right? So this is a plastic surgery practice in Houston. Initially, when they started with us in October 2019, they just had a digital profile, a nice looking website, which is good. We kind of helped them modify and add some pages to that in order to have enough content on the web page. We started off in the first month by doing a good solid competitor analysis and keyword research. With that, we came up with a good marketing strategy for their SEO and ads. And then step 2, which is from month 1 to 1.5, we started doing the SEO execution. And that's ongoing work that they've been doing so far till today. And we also implemented a bot for them in month 3. And that's it. We continue to do the work, and we wait for the traffic to come from Google. And lo and behold, as you can see, that traffic did arrive, right? And like I said, in month 3, they started seeing the effect. And month 4, they really start seeing a lot of positive impact on traffic, calls, and a direct impact on their sales, right? So this year, they're planning to have their practice almost triple. Okay, so that's what we're expecting, and in line with the case, in line with the patients that are coming in and the procedures that they're booking. Okay, and you can see they had a 600% increase in calls, and you can see, just like this practice, there are a lot of medical, dental, and law practices that are thinking, hey, how can I increase my sales? The interesting part is there are 1.8 billion searches that are happening on Google every day. And the question is your business taking a piece of that, right? And is that piece expanding? Is that piece contracting? Are your competitors, you might be looking at your competitors and saying, hey, how are they getting so much traffic? Their secret tool might be SEO. SEO is a hidden gem, and I believe it's going to be continuing to be a hidden gem in the next 3 to 4 to 5 years. That's because a lot of people are now starting to understand the power of SEO. And really, the best salesman is Google, right? And once you please them and you hire Google, he will sell for you, or he or she, Google, will sell for you day and night, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, rain and shine. So anyways, if you are trying to get the power of SEO and increase your sales, increase your patient count, increase your case count, whether you're a local business, medical, law, dental, a plastic surgery practice, or any kind of medical practice, please reach out to us. We do free audits, and we'll be able to share with you some of the case studies on how we're having these results, and we can help you out in basically going to the next level. All right, thank you very much, and this is my contact information on the screen right here. Please feel free to reach out to us for a free audit, and let us help you increase your sales and go ahead into 2020, 2021 by doubling or even tripling your practice. All right, thank you.